Good morning, everyone. A very good morning. Shall we start the session? Today's topic is the Flash and the action script that is used as a technology for developing the animations. Which that is a Flash. So it is the technology for developing the animations on the net. However, the last version of the Flash MX, that is scripting language, ActionScript, so Flash remoting and the Cold Fusion also represent together a very general environment for developing advanced applications on the net. So this was used for developing the advanced applications that must be carried out with the Flash reporting, that must be carried out with the Cold Fusion MX represent together. That is a very general environment for this. Developing such applications also requires the Flash MX, installation of the Flash remoting and Cold Fusion MX on the developer's computers, and running the developed and tested applications does not require more than any other application that is used. So to accept and run a Flash application, the client system must have the Flash reader that is pre-installed. The scripting language ActionScript such as the JavaScript, CScript that is developed on the basis of the ECMA 262 standard. And these three languages also deviate all from the standard and each other, but they are of their similarity. So they are used with the Cold Fusion that must be produced with the Flash application client computer that must have a Flash reader that is also freely installed. And the scripting language ActionScript such as JavaScript, CScript is also developed on the basis of the ECMA 262 standard. The three languages that deviate all from the standard and each other, but there are obvious similarities that will be done with the Flash result that is known as a movie. It is generated from a Flash document that is have a file .fla, and usually a document is created by means of the Flash graphic authoritating tool, and the ActionScript is used as a sequence of the graphical frames connected to the script. And with this demonstration of the Flash application in combination, it is used with the Cold Fusion that is used with a small example that is included over here. So this is used with the Cold Fusion, this is used with the small spirit that is ActionScript or the Flash reporting. That must be used, that must be developed on the developer's computer. Yeah, this is required, this is used, this is very much obvious for the basis of the ECMA 262 standards. That is a part of the CS script, that is a part of the JavaScript. Now the next part is the .swf file. This is generated from the Flash document such as the .fla file, and usually this document is created by means of the Flash graphics authoring tools and the AutoScript that is used as a sequence of the graphical frames connected with the script. And as an elementary demonstration of the Flash application, it is in combination with the Cold Fusion. A small example is illustrated, is included over here. This is a Macromedia Flash MX Professional 2004 Untitled 1. So this is the question and the Untitled 1. So this is used with the saving a file. This is used with the properties project. That is also again combined with the color mirror. That is again used with the components. So these files are attached as a sequence of the graphical frame that is connected to the script. And as an elementary demonstration of the Flash application in combination with the Cold Fusion, a small example is also included. This is the small example. It includes Untitled 1. This includes the Macromedia, questions, components, that is a part of the data components, connectors. These connectors are also used as a file data file that must be presented, that must be used with the A. Then lines, then colors, then options. When there is a project to work with the Flash projects, create a new project, open an existing one, then transport with the color mirror, transport with the component, data set, And these are also parts of the color methods. That is a part of the cold fusion. That is used in combination with the cold fusion. So this is a flash or thing tool. So the scenario is again the session test of the course, and there's an index.cfm page that is used to call the flash application, which is loaded down into the application. And during the loading process, which starts by the HTML page, the existence of a flash reader that is checked out, and if negative, that flash reader if it is negative, then it is loaded before the movie. Now, next is let's see. There is the index.cfm center, font color is blue, flash demonstration. Do you want to take the session test? P will be closed. Then P ahref questions.html. Yes, A will be closed. And then ahref, that is again used as a linking, that is a list.cfm. No, then A will be closed. And this CFML template returns the questions.html. There is an attached Flash movie file questions that is made of the SWF containing the Flash application to the requesting client. And this Flash movie contains a sequence of the frames. So there are multiple frames which are displayed, which are played subject to the control of the scripts, also included in the SWF file. Okay, in this example, we are using the 3 frames. We are getting the 3 frames. One is the init, one is the continue, one is the correct, incorrect, and the end. So these are ways by which we can control the script that are also included in the SWF file. So frame init displays a question and the multiple choice questions. And when a button is clicked, it is also used with the question 5 from the frame 13, question this one, and the frame init. And there is the attached script that is also directs the play to the continue. Do you want to continue? Yes or no? So this is a flash will continue to either frame correct or incorrect. Now these are the various scenarios, these are the various terms that will be declared, that will be used, whether the question is correct, whether the answer was wrong, whether the flash will be continued with the data, whether the flash frame continue, whether we are using the init, whether we are using the continue, incorrect. So in totality there are 5 parts of these frames. There are five frames that is available in the SWF file. One is the init, then continue, then correct, incorrect, and the end. And when we use the init, that displays the questions and the multiple choice answers. And when a button is clicked, either it is used the init, either it is used the continue, correct, incorrect, or the end. No. This is available with the multiple choice questions also, but when the button is clicked, it is also displayed with the. It is also used with the question 5 from the session number this. So this will be displayed in an arbitrary manner. This will be displayed in an zigzag manner, which would be displayed as a part of the concept. This is a question 5 from 13. Then there is the attached script directs the play through continue untitled 1. And the flash frame continue. Do you want to continue? Yes or no? So either frame correct or not. So there is the untitled 1. There is a C. So that is the flash frame continue or incorrect. So this is used as your answer is wrong. That is the incorrect answer. Flash MX is a tool for the client-side scripting that depends on the button click. In passing continue to either of these 2 frames, the content of the continue is activated as an overlay. The content has a 2 buttons that is connected with each and every file. That depends on the yes or the no of the overlay. that will be displayed on the back and the forth of the init to initiate the action, to initiate the gap between these two. These are the end of the question. Click to send the results of the cold fusion. This is the last part. Please last we can see the script that is used with the action.script. So these are the init frame that looks like this one. So initialization, where some stop. Stop will be used to stop use the stop function. Then the answer one dot on release. We are releasing the function with the function name. Go to and stop. Incorrect. Then the semicolon. And answer two dot release. Then again there is a function. Then go to and stop. Again there is a correct. Then answer 3 dot on release function. Go to and stop incorrect. Then answer 4 dot on release function. Then again there is a go to and stop incorrect. So one is that incorrect, second is correct, 3 and 4 are also incorrect. And this is an ActionScript command which is while in the line a variable known as a sum is defined. Then the actions also stop until an event occurs, and the 4 events with associated functions are also defined in this one, and each correspond to the release of a mouse button or a radio button in the frame end. And all functions are similar and results in moving in play ahead of the nested frame or the name frame, that correct and the incorrect. There are two parts, either correct and the incorrect. And when we say about the continuing overlay frame, that is also available, that is also used in connection with the flash script, that may be combined, that may not be combined with this continue frame, but the correct and the incorrect frame will be used as the yes and the no buttons. So I think we will move to the continue in the next class, that is the tomorrow's class. So because that is a new flash topic. Okay. So you want again this one. This is again a function that defines the stop functions. This is not C++, which is available with this one, but this is the CFMX language that have some code, that have a init code, that have a sum code, that have a stop code, answer one code, that have a go and the stop position, answer 2 dot on release function, go to and stop, correct, answer 3 dot on release function, go to and stop, incorrect, on release function, go to and stop, incorrect. So these are the functions that will be defined, that will be used for the incorrect and stop and the baking parts. So answer 2 dot on release function, go to and stop, correct, answer 3 dot on release function, go to and stop, incorrect, then answer 4 dot on release function, go to and stop, incorrect. So these are the 4 parts. One is the incorrect, and there is a correct, incorrect, and the correct. What is the main doubt in this? Everything is clear, everything is transparent to you.